guys, my name is Luke Jackson. I live here in the North City, Tennessee. I recently had some work done on my home here by Crawl Space Ninja. It's getting a lot of water under my house. It's just staying in there, pooling up, causing mold to build up, and just making the conditions in my crawl space really bad. So I looked around online, looked for a few different companies, and was come across Crawl Space Ninja. Got a lot of good reviews, so I was like, well, give them a call. Gave them a call. A few months later, they came and encapsulated my crawl space, added in a dehumidifier. Now my crawl space is completely dry. The mold is starting to recede, and it's just a nice, clean environment in there now. I would definitely recommend them. But you can almost live in the crawl space now. It's so clean, and I really appreciate what Crawl Space Ninja did, and really recommend them. Thank you.